Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and since 2003 we have been helping business owners simplify their accounting processes. So we actually started this channel so that we can help even more people use their systems more effectively. So if you like what we are doing, do like and subscribe to support us today. So in today's video, we are actually going to look at one of the questions our client recently asked us. Can we actually set a more secure password inside AutoCount? In short, yes you can. So to do this, all you just need to do is come here to Tools, come here to Options, select Security Policy here. Alright, so the first thing you can do is you can actually change the number of characters you have in your password. So let's change this from 4 to 6. Alright, so we can even set in, if for example they key in the wrong password, you can actually increase the number of time before you can actually try again. So now currently set at 3 minutes, you can leave it as it is, and we can even set the number of times you can actually try. So after 3 times, the system will automatically log you out. Okay, so the next thing that you can actually do is also to set the password strength. So from weak to strong. So a weak password means you can use any alphanumeric, and is from here the setting is 6 characters. So you can use A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so while a medium password will then give you a restriction where you need to have 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, and then 1 number. So you can see at the bottom here, medium password requires one from group A, 1 from group B, and 1 from group C. Alright, and lastly, the strong password. A strong password means when they say other characters other than letters and numbers, means what you need to do is you must put in a symbol in your password. Okay, so once you're done, we just press OK. Alright, so then of course it's now time to actually change your password. To do that, you can come here to general maintenance here. You can actually press set your password. So if for example you don't see this set your password icon here, it means you actually do not have access, right? So you can actually contact your admin person or your administrator for your AutoCount system and ask them to say, give me your access right so that I can set my own password. Alright, so when you press set your password, you can actually select your new password and confirm your password. Okay, so right now I won't change it. The next thing that you can do, or the next security feature that we have in AutoCount, is restriction where you can actually expire your password after a certain number of days. So we can come here to general maintenance, you can come to user maintenance. Okay, let's say for example this user admin, we press edit. Alright, so you can see we got our password. We can even select your password expire after a certain number of days. So let's say we can set 60 days, we can actually press save. So every 60 days you need to reset your password. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to increase your password security inside AutoCount. Do leave a comment below if you have a topic you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks!